what programming language you should learn based on your interests. If you want to get into game development, learn C++ or C#. If you want to get into mobile app development, learn Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android. If you want to get into back-end development, learn Python, JavaScript, Java, or Go. But my personal recommendation as a developer who broke into tech in under 6 months and has helped dozens of his students do the same is to start with front-end development. So this is a field of web development, so you're going to be building web applications, and it is without a doubt the easiest field to learn for beginners and also the easiest field to land a job in for beginners. So the best strategy to break into tech as quickly as possible in 2025 is to start with front-end development. And once you land a job in the industry as a front-end developer, you'll be able to pivot into any other field that you want. So now you're probably thinking, okay, but how do I get started with front-end development? Well, here's a full step-by-step roadmap on exactly how you can get started that you can implement right after watching this video. The first thing you're going to do is set aside 1 to 4 hours to coding every single day. This is achievable for absolutely anyone. Once you've done that, you want to start off learning HTML and CSS. And you'll learn HTML and CSS using this 3-step strategy. Crash course, then tutorial projects, and then a solo project. Next, you'll learn JavaScript using the same 3-step strategy, and then you'll learn React and Firebase, also using the same 3-step strategy. Now you have a solid understanding of the fundamentals of web development. So that's HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. Now it's time for you to learn some more in-demand modern technologies that are actually used by the top companies. So that's Next.js, TypeScript, Redux, and Tailwind. Now the best part about this all is once you have a solid understanding of the fundamentals, these newer, more modern technologies become extremely easy to learn. And because of that, all you have to do in order to learn these is 1, watch a quick tutorial or crash course on each of them, and then 2, build a massive project combining them all. Now by the end of this roadmap, you've pretty much learned everything you need to know in order to genuinely add value to a company as a front-end developer. Now it's time for you to learn how to actually land a job to profit off of your skills. And here's exactly how you're going to do that. So before you can start applying to jobs, you need to build out your application material. So that's your resume, your portfolio website, your LinkedIn, and your GitHub. Once you've done that, here's a secret application strategy that'll pretty much guarantee that you get hired. Go to Google Maps and search for digital agencies near me and literally print out your resume, go in person to each company and hand them your resume. And once you land an interview, which you will, just don't mention money and you will land the job. Now, if you follow everything that I mentioned in this video, there's pretty much no chance that you don't get hired as a front-end developer. But if for any reason you've made it this far into the video and you're still doubting or questioning my advice, let me know when you're consistently landing your students high-paying coding jobs and we can have a conversation. You're welcome, and go check out more of my stuff.